Hey guys, welcome back to this video. Today I will show you how to convert multiple images into one PDF like this. So for that we are going to Google search bar and here search for small PDF, and this is the official site. Just click on this. Now on the top bar here you can see tools. Just click on that, and here you can see JPG to PDF. So let's click on that. Okay, now we are going to choose our image. So now let's go to the download, and these are 3 images I am going to convert, and you can change the order of this image like this. So after changes, let's click on convert. Now all 3 images are converting, and here is the final output. So now we are going to download this PDF file. So let's click on download, and it's downloading, and it's downloaded, and this is the output. So this is how you can convert multiple images into one PDF. So hope that this quick video help you out.